Namaste, I Chetna, the literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township Pinjore. Today is 18th February 2022. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज फाल्गुन माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की द्वितीय तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र पूर्व फाल्गुनी, आज का योग सुकर्मा है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज फाल्गुन माह के छठे प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रजब की आज 16 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। तमनाशत जड़ चित जगावत चेतन सकल समाज। कमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल, मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल, मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज, मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज, सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु, सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज, जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किंचिदस्ति धनंजय। मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव। तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च। मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम्। मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्। हेतूनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते। महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा। मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमा प्रजा। दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः संनियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धय ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रता.
Now I would like to invite Navleen of class 10th A to share a motivational story with us. Namaste Navleen.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Navleen, student of class 10th A, and I am going to narrate a story. The title of the story is The Devoted Mother. A mother duck and her little ducklings were on their way to the lake one day. The ducklings were very happy following their mother and quacking along the way. All of a sudden, the mother duck saw a fox in the distance. She was frightened and shouted, "Children, hurry to the lake. There's a fox." The ducklings hurried toward the lake. The mother duck wondered what to do. She began to walk back and forth, dragging one wing on the ground. When the fox saw her, he became happy. He said to himself, "It seems that she is hurt and can't fly. I can easily catch and eat her." Then he ran towards her. The mother duck ran, leading the fox away from the lake. The fox followed her. Now he wouldn't be able to harm her ducklings. The mother duck looked towards her ducklings and saw that they had reached the lake. She was relieved. So she stopped and took a deep breath. The fox thought she was tired and he came closer. But the mother duck quickly spread her wings and rose up in the air. She landed in the middle of the lake and her ducklings swam to her. The fox stared in disbelief at the mother duck and her ducklings. He could not reach them because they were in the middle of the lake. So, dear friends, some birds drag one of their wings on the ground when an enemy is going to attack. In this way, they fool their enemies into thinking they are hurt. When the enemy follows them, this gives their children time to escape. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you Navleen. Now I would like to invite Harshit of class 10th to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Namaste Harshit.
Namaste, my name is Harshit. I study in class 10th. Today I am sharing with you the inspirational thoughts of Swami Vivekanand ji, which is as follows. You are the creator of your own destiny. I repeat this idea. You are the creator of your own destiny. Thank you.
Thank you Harshit. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Aradhya Gupta of class 10th. Let's wish him by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the student.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की. सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की. तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना. तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.